This exercise is for core control. So starting on in a sitting position, you're gonna roll down one bone at a time, trying to control that position as you roll down. Beautiful. And then you take an inhale breath, exhale to roll yourself up one bone at a time as if you're trying to peel your spine off the mat. Good. Do that again this time. This will be what you're trying to look for. So if your gymnast is plopping down like this, you want to work on that slow segmental roll down. And then if they're using momentum or trying to use their legs to come on up, you do the same thing. You want to work on that coming up. So we'll try that again. You do a slow, nice control down. Good. Using the breath will help you here. Inhale, exhale as you roll yourself up one bone at a time. Up, 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 up.